Hello, history enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey through the captivating history of Greece, the birthplace of democracy, philosophy, and so much more. The cradle of Western civilization beckons, promising a tale of innovation, struggle, and resilience. So let's dive into this incredible story. Our story begins in ancient Greece, around 2000 BC, with the emergence of the Minoan civilization on the island of Crete. Here, a society flourished, known for its impressive palaces and vibrant frescoes. Meanwhile, on the mainland, the Mycenaean civilization took root, renowned for their fortified citadels and linear B script. These early cultures, with their complex societies and innovative technologies, played a pivotal role in shaping the future of Greece. Together they laid the foundations for what would become one of the most influential cultures in history. The 5th century BC, often referred to as the classical period, witnessed the golden age of Greece. This was a time of great intellectual and cultural growth, characterized by advancements in politics, philosophy, and the arts. Democracy was born in Athens, a radical concept that would shape future societies. Meanwhile, the minds of philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle flourished, their thoughts and teachings leaving an indelible mark on the world. This era gave birth to great philosophers and the world-changing concept of democracy in Athens. The Persian Wars were a series of conflicts between Greece and the Persian Empire in the early 5th century BC. These wars were a defining moment in Greek history, with heroic figures like Themistocles leading the Greeks to victory, securing their freedom and independence. But the peace was short-lived. As the 5th century BC drew to a close, the Peloponnesian War erupted, pitting Athens against Sparta. This internal strife weakened Greece, setting the stage for a new power to rise. Enter Alexander the Great, the Macedonian king who would conquer vast territories and usher in the Hellenistic Era. This period saw Greek culture spread far and wide, from Egypt to India, influencing everything from art to science. Greek philosophers, artists, and scientists flourished, their ideas and works leaving an indelible mark on the world. It had a profound influence on art, science, and philosophy. Greece became part of the Roman Empire in 146 BC, marking the start of a new chapter in its rich history. The Roman rule brought with it a blend of cultures that further enriched the Greek civilization. In the 4th century AD, Greece found itself in the heart of the Byzantine Empire, a period marked by the spread of Christianity throughout the region, profoundly influencing Greek culture and society. Fast forward to the 15th century, Greece fell under the rule of the Ottoman Empire, a reign that would last for 4 centuries. But the flame of freedom was never extinguished. In the early 19th century, led by figures like Lord Byron and Theodoros Kolokotronis, Greece waged a war of independence, finally resulting in the birth of modern Greece in 1821. Today, Greece is a vibrant and culturally rich country, known for its ancient ruins, stunning landscapes, and contributions to world literature, philosophy, and sports. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the extraordinary history of Greece in just 3 minutes. From ancient civilizations to modern times, Greece's rich history has shaped our world. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious.